You are going to love the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.